swipe down, turn off the screen. Only I want to keep the screen on. Okay. Okay, I want it that way, and then let's go riding. Hi everyone, look what I have. Managed to get hold of the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. This is the standard combo. I'm going to unbox this and then show you just how simple. It's a tiny little box here, and we'll just cut it out and have a look. Okay, this is just the standard combo, and we shall go through the specs later. Let's just do unboxing. There's nothing inside here. This is the action cam itself, and then some silica gel, some QR that you need to scan to get the light cut app, the new app, and recommended app. So let's look at, okay, that's the standard USB-C to USB-C cable, and then this is the case. Let's look at the case. And okay, this is not a sponsored set. This is a retail set. I bought this myself, so do give me a thumbs up and share it with your friends if they're interested. That's the case, and then this is the lock in the box. Let's put it one side. This is interesting. Let's look at what we have here. This magnetic lock on this together, and then this is for your stopper for your glasses. Yeah, it's supposed to be a 4-hour battery, and it says here, God, my eyes can't see, 1950 milliamp hour battery. So it's supposed to be different from the previous one. And for an Action 3, and this is the Action 5. That's how it looks like. Peel off the sticker. Same field of view. It's supposed to be 1 to 1.3 inch CMOS with the 155 field of view angle, right? So that's interesting. Let's put this up and then let's charge it up. Same, everything is the same. The locks are the same. The clips are the same. I think this is just this way, one-way clip. Very tight, right? So that's how it looks like. Let's put this up and then charge it up, and then we shall take it out for a spin and see how long the battery lasts. I will try to record this all the way to the end. Hopefully there's no overheating at all, and it can reach probably until tonight, because I want to test out the low light as well as the 40 megapixels sensor. Hopefully it is. I haven't even checked it yet because it's just straight out of the box. I'm not even sure if it's 40. So again, this is my set, paid for, not sponsored. So do give me a thumbs up, subscribe and share it with your friends, and hopefully the algorithm will be kind to me. So going to the park, which is which more quiet, less cars. Right, let's get into the park. Okay, this is again, I'm going to do a full shot, so I don't need any full all the way to record until the battery runs out, to see whether it overheats at 4K 60. So I'm at 4K 60 with horizon balancing. I'm not going to test out all the other features because I just want to know my 4K 60 with HB, horizon balancing, will keep me able to record for a long time. Let's change it back to the front. That's me. So both the screen is on. I'm surprised. Actually, it's supposed to turn off the front screen right when I'm recording. Anyway, haven't done any settings, so I won't know. So let's continue. Before I do that, let's grab a drink first. Let's grab a drink. Probably the dumbest thing I ever did. It was shaking, and the 100 plus, the gas was here, and but was also the gas injected into my throat. Never do that. Gave myself a blowjob. Yeah. Anyway, let's continue. Hopefully, I can get the picture right. So, I accidentally switch it to night mode. That's why it goes to 4K 30. You need to be in the normal video mode to get 4K 60. So I see how it overheats. The last time I tested 4K 60 overheating with the Action 3 and Action 4, I'll link the video up there. I get lots of complaint that nobody is supposed to be walking and shooting 4K 60. I have to do that because I'm shooting birds, wildlife, and you don't know when the birds, wildlife just spring out in the middle of nowhere, and you want to get some 4K 60 footage so that you can slow it down for visual, right? So that's why I shoot 4K 60 all the time, which has not been a problem with the Osmo Action 1 4K 60 all the way, because the heat sink is in front and very good. And when I tried it, the Action 2 was crap because it's too small, can't take heat. And now I'm with Action 3 was fine. I could shoot 4K 60. It does overheat, but after a very long time. So more than sufficient for me to do walk around birding. Action 4 overheated really fast. 15 minutes and it overheated. So now I'm just trying this Action 5. Hopefully it resolves everything. And can you imagine, in my rush to come out, I have not taken the SD card. I even forgot the SD card for this Action 5, right? So can you imagine? I really forgot the SD card. I was cycling and recording. Then now I just realized that I have not even put in an SD card inside this Action 5. Supposed to come with a usable 47 GB storage space. Hopefully it can last me until the whole testing. But at the rate I'm going, I think it seems to be doing fine. Hopefully I can reach to evening and get the sunset as well, because I want to test out the 40 megapixel picture. And in the meantime, maybe I just stop here. Nice place. And check out the specs of this camera. Okay, the red ends were pretty vicious. So this is the picture. That was 8 megapixel. I shot at 36 and 4x3, 4/3. It's a micro 4/3 sensor. Anyway, it's 40 megapixel really, and 36 for wide. So this is interesting. So what we have here, 2p 1 second. So okay, that's interesting. Images per second. You can go to 9 images per second at 40 MP. That's very interesting. So that's great for action shots. So you might want to try some action shots where you do 9 frames per second. Right, so and 4. So let's try to get some photos out of this. Everyone's gone for holidays. Yeah, let's go running around and get some action shots. Ooh. Yep. Hopefully you guys are seeing something. And we're back to the lake. Okay, I think this is a very nice place to do time-lapse sunset. Because you have the flags, Malaysian flags here, and birds will be flying past. I'm not sure. Let's try to get angle. Let's set up for sunset here, and I'll just hang around, and hopefully the battery doesn't die before I do my sunset. Okay, I finally figured out how to see the space. You switch it to picture, then you can see 39 GB left storage space, right? So when I switch it to video, does it show? Yeah, it shows minutes in video, so 59 minutes of recording available. So you want to see photo, then you can see GB 34, still a lot more. Alright, there you have it. So that's the sunset, and it's really gone down that side. And then when I can see, this is the ultra low light shot, and it's very bright on the screen. I'm not sure how they're doing it. Maybe the ISO is very high. And then let's try to go back. I'm doing the walking. I'm not sure how stable it is. Let's try that. Yeah, so this is already about 7, almost 7:30, right? So okay, that's it. Hope you like the video, and see you on the next one. Subscribe and do share with your friends. Bye. Have a nice day.